Welcome to the EMDECS app, your all-in-one simplified fleet management solution. Depending on how your team uses the app, you can limit the usage of the 4 modules you see here to reflect your real-life workflows. The Profile menu gives you a quick overview of your user information and the default location that you're working from, whether it's Toronto, Canada, or London, England. It's no problem. Our fantastic North American-based support team is always ready for you, whether you need direct support or to log a ticket or troubleshoot yourself via our extensive online knowledge base at knowledge.brightorder.com. The heart of the app is the Repair Order menu, where technicians and managers can easily access their assigned work and get directly to the tasks at hand, or search through other units to start a new repair order. No more tracking down paperwork in a disorganized office. Select service programs and what applies to you. All the details you need will be here, so you can keep track of things as easily and with as little clicks as possible. Description of what you're working on, VMRS codes used to allocate cost details, cost breakdowns, and reasoning. It automatically logs the estimated and actual hours so technicians can focus more on their tasks, while managers can use that data to allocate techs to certain jobs and better predict hours of future work. For the sake of you, the customer, and the shop, remember to type in your 3 C's: the complaint from the customer, the cause determined by the tech, and corrections, which will help relay information from you back to the shop and for whoever needs it. Make note of the attachments, where you can upload any files and photos concerning the order. Got brakes you need replacing? Just take a picture from any device and upload. Easy peasy. You can control what information goes where with internal notes. These are used to communicate back to you, and external notes will help you seamlessly communicate between you and the customer so that there's full transparency, building trust and enabling long-lasting relationships with your customers. Simply add parts from the Parts screen to your work order. This is connected to the Inventory module and helps with maintaining inventory levels and making sure everything is up to date. Finally, you can decide if you're unit ready or pause what you're doing to start on another job, which pauses the time tracked on the current job. Remember, the system logs hours for you automatically, so you can easily choose to end your shift, log indirect activities that don't relate to a specific repair order, clock off for lunch, or go back to your assigned work list. With EMDECS, time management is a breeze. Instead of worrying about tracking your own hours, you can spend that time being more productive where it counts and spend your time off doing whatever you like. And that's it. Thanks for watching, and motor on safely.